Hello everyone. Extending the last one topic permutation. Today we are going to study about groups of permutations. The set Pn of all permutation on n symbols is a finite group of order factorial n with respect to composite of mappings as the operation for n is less than equal to 2, this group is abelian, and for n is greater than 2, it is always non-abelian groups. We take any set S equal to A1, A2, A3, so on, An, be a finite set having n distinct elements. Let F equal to this be a permutation of degree n. First we will discuss about closure axioms of group. The elements of the set S can be arranged in factorial n different ways. Therefore we shall have n factorial distinct permutations of degree n if Pn be the set of all permutations of degree n, then Pn has factorial n distinct elements. Closure axioms. Let f and g be two permutation of degree n belongs to Pn. So f equal to this permutation and g equal to this. By definition of group, A operation B belongs to G for all A comma B belongs to G. So F and G be two permutation of degree n such that Fg equal to, according to composition of two permutation, F replaces A1 by V1 and G replaces V1 by C1, then Fg replaces by A1 by C1, so A1 by C1. Similarly, F replaces A2 by B2 and G replaces by B2 by C2, then Fg replaces by A2 and C2. Similarly, An replaces by Bn and Bn replaces by Cn, then An replaces by Cn. Now Fg is also a permutation of degree n. Fg belongs to Pn for all f, g belonging to Pn, then Fg belongs to Pn. Therefore, Pn is closed with respect to the composition known as product of two permutations. So, closure axioms are satisfied. Second one, associative axioms. Now we take any three permutation f, g, h belongs to Pn such that f equal to this, g equal to this and h equal to this. First we found Fg. Now f replaces A1 by B1, g replaces V1 by C1, then Fg replaces A1 by C1. Similarly, f replaces A2y V2 and G replaces V2y C2, then FG replaces A2y C2. This. Similarly, AN replaces by VN and VN replaces by CN, then AN replaces by CN. FG as product of two permutation. Now again we found FGH. FG be two permutation product. FG replaces A1 by C1 and H replaces C1 by D1. Then FGH replaces A1 by D1. Similarly, FG replaces A2 by C2 and H replaces C2 by D2. Then FGH replaces A2 by D2. Similarly, FG replaces AN by CN and H replaces CN by DN. Then FGH replaces by AN DN. Now value of FGH equal to this. Now again the value of GH. Product of two permutation GH. First one's GA. G replaces V1 by C1 and H replaces C1 by D1. Then GH replaces V1 by D1. Similarly, G replaces Vn by Cn, H replaces Cn by Dn, then GH replaces by Bn, Dn. Now we found FGH. F and GH we two permutation, product of two permutations. F replaces A1 by V1 and GH replaces V1 by D1, then FGH replaces A1 by V1, A1 by D1. Similarly, F replaces A1 by B1 and GH replaces Vn by Dn, then FGH replaces AN by Dn. According to definition of group associative, A BC equal to AB C for all A, B, C belongs to G. Thus, FGH equal to FGH belongs to Pn for all F, G, H belongs to Pn. Associativity axioms are satisfied. Third one, existence of identity. Let F be any permutation and I be the identity of permutation Pn such that F equal to this and I equal to this. First we found Fi. Two permutation F and I. F replaces A1 by V1 and I replaces V1 by V1. Then Fi replaces A1 by V1. Similarly, F replaces An by Vn. and I replaces Vn by Vn. Then Fi replaces An by Vn. Now this is F. So Fi equal to F for all F belongs to Pn and I belongs to Pn. We have existence of identity are satisfied. One, existence of inverse. Let F be any permutation Pn and F inverse of be the inverse of F belongs to Pn and I be the identity of Pn, such that F equal to this and I equal to this and F inverse equal to this. F equal to this be the permutation of degree n, then the inverse of F is obtained by interchanging the two rows of F. According to group A operation B, where A be the any element of G and B be the inverse of A also belongs to G, then A operation V equal to E. Now F inverse with the inverse of F, so F inverse F equal to F inverse replaces V1 by A1 and F replaces A1 by V1, then F inverse F replaces by V1 by V1. Similarly, F inverse replaces by V1 by An and F replaces An by Vn. Then F inverse F replaces Bn by Bn, such that F inverse F equal to I for all F and F inverse belongs to Pn. Therefore, existence of inverse are satisfied. Fifth one, abelian and non-abelian group of permutation Pn. Hence, Pn is a group of order factorial n with respect to product of permutations as compositions. If n equal to 1, then the set Pn has only one element and every group of order 1 is abelian. If n equal to 2, the set Pn has factorial 2, that is 2 elements, and every group of order 2 is again abelian. Now we shall show that if n is greater than 2, Pn is non-abelian. Let f equal to 1, 2, 2, 3, so on, n minus 1, n, and n 1, and g equal to 1, 2, 2, 1, 3, 3, so on, n minus 1, n minus 1, n, n. With the two permutation of degree n when n is greater than 2. Now fg equal to 1, 2 1 2 3 3 4 n minus 1 n n 2. Fg. F replaces 1 by 2, G replaces 1 by 2 by 1, then Fg replaces 1 by 1. Similarly, F replaces n by 1 and G replaces 1 by 2. So, Fg replaces n by 2. Similarly, find Gf equal to 1 3 2 2 3 4 n 1. Obviously, Fg does not equal to Gf. Therefore, Pn is non-abelian if n is greater than 2. If you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe and like it so that you can get latest video. Thanks.